very happy to announce that today we are declaring as non-Naxalite state. I think with the hard efforts of our government and our police officers and a team which has been constituted by the government for the rehabilitation and for negotiation with those Naxalites. I think after the fallout there was a big serious attempt, and now they have come forward. About 6 people have been surrendered today. One is from Tamil Nadu, one is from Kerala, and 4 are from Karnataka. So today the Deputy Commissioner has issued an order. I think they came and given some lot of demands on the various issues to help their community. Some the one youngster who is from Tamil Nadu is a BTech graduate. He is a BTech graduate. So I think all the 6 have been surrendered today. So we have to respect their requests also. Ultimately, we will have to be very soft since we appeal to them to surrender. BJP normally they have to criticize. If they have done it, when they have done it, they would have taken the credit. It is quite natural. We have requested, we have won the heart. Mahatma Gandhiji tells one thing: if you want to control others, if you want to control yourself, use your brain. If you want to control others, use your heart. So we have used our heart. My Chief Minister appealed to all of them: please come, we will cooperate with you, we will help you. We will see that your fortune will be done in a very legal way. So we will respect the Constitution. My CM has given them a Constitution book which has to be protected, and the Constitution will protect them. And we are ready to set up a court also if needed, so that thoroughly there should be disposal.